How to log out of HFM app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on HFM and wondering how to safely log out of your account using the mobile device, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the HFM app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. Inside the More menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials, that is your email and password. If you do, click Logout without any worries and click on the Logout button once again in the pop-up to confirm, and you have successfully logged out or signed out of your HFM account. You can log back in any time you want. Just remember that you need your credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.